Hey my friend, we're gonna do a quick twisting practice. If you've ever tried to do arm balances like side crow, fallen angel, Eka Pada Koundinyasana A, the one with the crazy legs to the side, what tends to hold people back is simply not having enough twistability. And the same thing, if you're anything like me, going to yoga classes for years, and every time there was a twisting pose, having to go to the bathroom real bad or needing to readjust my clothing, I fucking hated twists. This class is for you. I have grown to love them, and we're gonna do it together. So we're gonna focus on improving our twistability for the next few minutes. Whether you are exploring twists in your yoga practice or you're doing it for a specific reason, like accessing specific arm balances, there is tremendous value for your spine in learning how to twist properly, so it's worth a few minutes. Please meet me seated in Siddhasana or Sukhasana, with the shins crossed or with one heel in front of your groin and the other heel in front of the first foot. Sit up nice and tall. Slide your shoulder blades down your back slightly. And when you're ready, circle your arms out and up towards the sky. Breathe it in. As you breathe out, take a side bend towards the right. Bring your right hand onto the floor and your left arm up and over. Yeah. And then bend your left elbow. Bring your hand behind your head and start to peel your left elbow back. Yeah, like you're stretching your armpit. Maybe you sniff it. Good. Take an inhale right here. And as you exhale, you're going to crunch your left elbow down towards your right knee. See if you can make contact. We're going to do that 3 times. Inhale, open the left elbow. Exhale, crunch it down towards the right knee. Good. Inhale, open. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, open. And exhale, crunch. Good. Reach back up into the side bend. Left arm stretches overhead and then switch sides. Inhale to come up. Exhale, take it over to the left. Left hand comes down, right arm reaches up nice and straight. When you're ready, right hand behind your head. Peel this elbow open. Yeah. Good. So as much as twisting is really all about contracting the side body, we also want to create space and stretch it open a little bit before we crunch it. Yeah, take an inhale right here. As you exhale, you're going to rotate right elbow to left knee. See if you can touch. Good. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. 2 more. Inhale, open. And exhale, close. Last one. Inhale, open. And exhale, close it down. Beautiful. So we've gotten the core beginning to work in this direction. Stretch your right arm, all the way back over your head. Good. Inhale to rise. Release both hands by your sides and make your way onto your back for a moment. We're going to do a little more core activation before we get into some active twists. Yeah? Well, this is also active, but in a different way. Start to pull your knees towards your chest actively and see, if I engage my hip flexors and I pull my knees towards my chest, how close can I get them? Good. And then release that. 2 more times. Pull knees to chest and release that. If you can, take your arms out like a goalpost or a cactus shape so you get them out of your way, and then pull knees to chest. Good. Now we're going to put that together with a twist. Pull your knees to your chest. Hug them. Keep hugging them and start to drop your knees over to the left. Don't let them touch the floor. Use your core, bring yourself back to center. Good, and then let your knees come forward again. Take an inhale. Exhale, pull, knees to chest. Hold that, drop them over to the right. Don't let them touch the floor. Oh, and then come back and release the knees. Good, we're gonna do that whole thing a little bit more smoothly. Take a breath in. Exhale, knees to chest. Inhale them over to the left. Exhale to the center. Keep the knees pulling into your chest. Send them over to the right. Exhale to the center. Good. Inhale the knees forward. Exhale, pull the knees back into your chest. Send them to the left, breathing in. Exhale, center. Send them to the right, breathing in. Keep pulling them up to your chest. Exhale, center. Send them forward, breathing in. Exhale, pull knees to chest. This is your last one. Send them to the left, breathing in. And to the center, breathing out. Keep pulling them in to the right. Exhale to the center. Inhale, release your knees forward. And exhale, let your feet come to the floor. Beautiful. You just worked active hip flexor engagement, active twisting. Please make your way up to all fours. Really nice. Come into tabletop position. Yeah, and then take your time to bring your knees together. Yeah, send your right leg back behind you. And then pull your foot in between your hands. You can use your hand to drag that foot forward. If you want to learn how to step your foot between your hands from the back of your mat, I have a video for that on my channel. You can look for it. It's called Stepping Your Foot Between Your Hands. Good. And then come upright into Anjaneyasana, low lunge. Same thing here. We want to stretch the left side core before we crunch it. Grab your left wrist and pull up. Create a big old stretch on the left side of your body and then lean to the right. Woo! Good. Now we're going to talk a little bit about twisting technique. You might have been told in your life that you want to keep your spine as long as possible before twisting. I'm about to blow your mind because we're going to do the exact opposite. And when I learned this, it completely transformed my twisting practice. So I want to share it with you. We're going to create the length right now. You're leaning over to the right. Your spine is nice and long. But I want you to start rounding your back like cat pose. Right here, round it, round it, round it. And at the same time as you round, you're going to twist to the right, twist to the right, twist to the right, and see if you can hook your left elbow outside of your right knee. And then use your right hand to help you fight that left elbow down your leg. Then maybe press your palms together, lean back, and find your twisted low lunge. If you're feeling strong, you can tuck the back toes under and lift the back knee. I'm not too concerned about that. For this practice, we're really working the twist. So press the palms together, lean back, but just pay attention to how much twist you got, coming in with that rounded spine. 2 more breaths here. 1 more. Good. Inhale, come back to center. Reach your arms up. Exhale, hands to the top of the mat. Step your left foot to meet the right in a forward fold. Come halfway up to a flat back. Breathe it in. Fold forward, breathing out. Rise up into chair pose. Circle your arms out and up and pause. We're going to do the exact same thing as we did in our lunge. Grab your left wrist and side bend to the right. Now start to lean forward and round your back. Round your back. Round your back in a way that your yoga teacher would be telling you, what the hell are you doing? Yeah, round your back. Keep rounding and twisting. And see if you can hook left arm outside of the right thigh. And just notice, what did that do coming in this way? Did you get more twist or less twist than usual? Don't judge it. Just become aware. Take a look at your knees. Pull your left knee back a little so it's lined up with the right knee. Lean back and twist. 3 breaths. 2. 1. Good. Unhook your twist. Reach your arms back up. Exhale, fold back in over your legs. Beautiful. Come halfway up to a flat back. Inhale, lengthen. Your choice. Plant your hands. Either take a flow or meet us in tabletop position. You can pass through down dog, you can pass through a vinyasa, or go straight there. When you're ready, inner thighs together, send your left leg back behind you. Take a breath in. Exhale, step that foot between your hands, get it there however you can, and then rise on up, Anjaneyasana, low lunge. Catch a hold of the right wrist, pull up, 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 and then side bend left. And just take a few minutes, or moments I should say, to stretch the right side body before we twist it. Good. Now, think twist and round, almost like you're diving forward at the same time. Okay, keep rotating. Now start to round your spine. Keep bringing your right wrist along for the ride. Rotate and round, rotate and round, rotate and round. How much can you round your spine as you get that right arm outside of the left leg? Press your palms together and lean back and just check out that twist entry. Absolutely blew my mind. If you want to tuck the toes under and lift the back knee, you can. We're just working the twist, so give it 3 more breaths right here. With every inhale, you lengthen the spine a little bit. With every exhale, you twist a little deeper. 2 more. Last one. Whee! Unwind your sitch. Send the arms high. Hallelujah, we're out of here. Step it into a forward fold, top of the mat. Halfway up is your flat back. Inhale for length. Forward fold is your breath out. Uttanasana. Sit your booty down. Utkatasana, chair pose. Take it high. Same. Grab your right wrist with your left hand. Start to side bend left. Try to keep your hips steady. Don't swivel your hips all the way to the side. Keep the hips steady, but start to round your back as you come into the twist. What happens when you do that roundy backy thing? Press your palms together, lean back. Check in with your right knee. Did it sneak in front of the left? Move it back in space. Try to connect your knees together as best you can. And rotate the chest open. 3 breaths. 2. 1. Gorge. Rise all the way back up to standing. Inhale. Forward fold all the way down. Exhale. Come halfway up to a flat back. Plant your hands. Take it through a vinyasa if you want it. Or take it straight back to downward facing dog. Give yourself a big breath in. And sigh it out your mouth. Beautiful. Put your knees down. If you are complete with your practice, turn me off. Lay down on your mat. 2 minutes quiet time, Shavasana. If you're going on with your day or moving on to another video, thank you for joining me. Twists take time to build. That forward roundy thing, please let me know in the comments if it helped you. It totally blew my mind. I post a video every Wednesday. If you enjoy these, follow the channel. Come hang out with me. And if you want to have access to me for personal coaching for your practice, whether you're working on regular yoga poses or arm balances and inversions, which is what I specialize in, I have links to all of my courses in the description below. See you in the next video. Bye now.